On your Canva homepage, you're going to see the list of documents that are listed here, and you'll see the website here. Or you can go to templates here to search for website, or you can click on the create here and you will see website. Let's close that out and go back to home. So from here, I'm just going to click this document website. It opens up a brand new design. First, I'm going to give my website a name. Now, we have a blank page. I'm going to go over to design. You will see all templates that are here, different templates that you can pick from and start designing a website with. Let's go up a bit. And you can go filter the templates by website, portfolio, food, education, wedding, shop. You can search by these kinds of websites. If you click on products, you see the types of website they have on products, or you can just search from those parts to see the kind of websites you're looking for. But I'll just go with website here to see different website styles there is. If you see any website you like, you can hover on it. You'll see how many pages the website has. But let's find the one we like. I think I like this website. When I clicked on it, it opened up all the pages. So you can choose whether you want to apply all the 6 sections of the website or you just want to apply one. So I'm just going to apply the first one here. Now that we have our home page, I'm going to click on this plus sign here to add another page. And I'll put this page in here. This is our Get in Touch page. I'm going to click on these 3 dots and add title to my page. This will be my home. And I'll go to the second page and also click on these 3 dots and I'll name this page. This will be our contact us page. So you notice we have 2 pages. So I'm going to go to the first page and I'll start taking things out I don't want to use. I'm going to take this out. The person I'm designing this website for doesn't have a logo yet. So I'll rename this text. We are going to edit the text. I would go back to design and go over to styles. I'll go over to font set. Font set here. I'll click on all. I'm going to click on this one. Apply that to all pages. Now let me bring in my own image to replace this image. I'll go over to projects and to folders because I've uploaded this person's folder here. And I'll focus on images. So let me pick this image. I can double tap on the image to position the image how I want it. And I'll click on done. So if I want to add a second section, I'm going to click here. Maybe I want to display what I'm doing. And I'm going to pick a different color for this page. I'm going to use this image color. I can add a second section here just to copy what people have done. Now I'll come back to design and go back to templates. Now I'll click on this one. I'll tap on this one. I'm going to select this ones and I'll move it to the upper page. Now I'll come down to this section and I'll delete this section, leaving me with this section I'm working on. Now let's go back to the folder where we got our images. I can start pulling in different videos. I will double tap on each video and adjust it inside the frame. I'm putting in this video so that they can see what we've already done. And let's add in a text here. Add heading. Now to add a link to get a free consult, I'm going to select this and I will click on these 3 dots. And here that it says link. I'm adding an email. When they click on get in touch, they'll be redirected to send an email. Once you're done, you click on done. And if we go to the second page, you can also build that out. You can add your own number here and all that. I'll replace this image. Once you're done building your website, and if I click on preview, you're going to see a preview of what your website would look like. And if you look here, you'll see that we'll have the home and we'll have the contact us. And if you go to home, you can scroll that and see that in action. You can also preview what it looks like on phone. And also, if you are happy with everything you've seen, I'm going to close this out. So I just wanted this website to have only 2 pages, the home and the contact us. And if you want to have multiple pages and have those headings, you just keep on adding more page. You can add another page and click on these 3 dots and give the page a name. I wanted this website to be simple as it can be. Now that we are happy with our website, we'll click on publish. It's asking you to type your site URL, which I will do, which is also going to be the same name I gave the website. I'm going to take out all these dashes. Or we can use a custom domain. And if you click on settings, you can choose to turn it on for search engine visibility. You can decide to password protect it. I'm going to turn this on for search engine visibility. The navigation menu is turned on. The resize on mobile is turned on. Social media preview link, when it's shared on social media, this is how it's going to look like. You can choose to add that, which I will leave toggled on. You can choose to password protect this website if you want a few people only to come to your website. Now, on the description part, this is where you can add in keywords for the purpose of SEO. This part is for SEO. When your website shows up on search engine, this is what people are going to see under your description. Once you're happy with all the settings, it's only password protection we are not putting because we want everybody to visit it. Once you're happy with everything, I'm going to go back on the settings and I'm going to hit publish. Canva will do its thing and publish the website. It says your website is now live. So I'm going to copy this link, or I'm going to shoot out visit website, which will open it up on that page. You see our website now. Our website is now live. We can scroll down to see every other thing we've added. And if you click on contact us, they can get in touch with us. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.